Introducing the all-new TW280PHB. Faster, stronger, and simply outstanding performance. A powerful 57 horsepower 4-cylinder petrol engine. A massive 210mm in-feed capacity, delivering a throughput of up to 6.5 tons per hour. Designed for fast and easy access to all serviceable parts. Centralized greasing points. Extra large double-sided blades. Robust controls located either side of the in-feed. TW280PHB delivers extremely impressive performance, designed for the most demanding tree jobs. Get it down, get it chipped, get on to the next job. Timberwolf, job done.